welcome back to the channel. Editing Jasmine here. By the time you guys are watching this, it is Friday. So happy Friday. And thank you guys so much for coming back for part 2 of that solo travel vlog. To Ireland. And thank you guys for so much love on part 1. So as promised, I'm back with part 2. Before we get into the video, go ahead and click the red button to subscribe if you have not already. And if you watch that Ireland vlog and you're not subscribed, you might as well click subscribe, because if you sat through that, go ahead and click subscribe. And also please like this video and share it to your friends. Everybody loves a good travel vlog, so go ahead and share it to the people you love the most. And without further ado, let's get into part 2 of that travel vlog to Ireland. Today is my last full day in Dublin, and I am here at the castle. Let's see if you can see it. There it is. There it is. So I'm at the Dublin Castle. Gonna go around sightsee. Then I'm gonna go to the Chester Beatty Library, which is free for free. Check that out for a little bit. The weather's raining here today. It's really windy. My umbrella keeps trying to flip over. But it's my last full day in Dublin, like I said. Tomorrow, so I'm gonna have a good day. So how dope is this? It's like the courtyard to the castle. There's something on this side too, but I just can't show you because I'm actually undercover. Because it's wet and rainy. Wet and rainy. I'm about to go in. I guess I'll have a guided tour, and then I want to go check out the Chester Beatty Library, which will be fun. Look at that. There's like statues on top of the buildings. There's another one right there. I'm not really sure what it is, but it looks cool. Construction, that's authentic. Alright, so this is the kind of stuff that happens to me in my life. Get all the way over here to the library. Even after the lady at the ticket booth told me I could come over here and see it. And the library is closed. Closed on Mondays. Or closed this Monday. What are the freaking odds of that? So I'm at this place called Grand Central Cafe, I believe. And I stopped over here. I was on my way to the Leprechaun Museum, which I cannot seem to find for the life of me. And so I stopped in here because I was hungry and I haven't eaten yet today. So I got what's my drink? Bangers and mash. I really am in the mood for like a hamburger, but trying to do new things. So I got bangers and mash, which is Italian sausage and like, what is it? Creamy potatoes and gravy and onion gravy. And I also got Sex in the Forest, a drink with vodka and raspberry puree and lemonade and all that good stuff in it. It's kind of what drew me to this place is the view. I can kind of sit out on the bar, my seat for 2, and look out the window, which is cool, yo.
Yeah, sex first?
Yeah, that's me. Thank you.
Alright. So I food as well?
Yeah, I ordered something.
You've ordered?
Yeah, thank you. That is the truth. That is good. Lemon infused vodka, blackberry puree, raspberry puree, lemon juice, and sugar syrup, topped up with lemonade. It is good. My food has arrived. And I got bangers and mash, which is Italian sausage and mashed potatoes, and whatever the heck these are. Oh, right, carrots. Yeah, and carrots. They're really good. Really good. Okay. So good morning. I'm actually like just waking up. It's my last day in the city. I can't believe I made it. I really cannot believe I made it. What's on the agenda for today? I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. Then I finish packing up the rest of my stuff. And then I'm gonna go ahead and check out of my room because I have to be out of my room at 10:30 and I don't want to be rushing to get back. So I'm gonna check out of my room. I'm gonna go to the Guinness storehouse today, check that out for a little bit, and then spend the rest of the day just looking for souvenirs, anything else that pops up. By 12 I need to be headed back over here to get my stuff, and then getting on a shuttle to the airport. Cause I don't know how long that'll take. I can't remember. My flight is at 3:45 and I want to be there 2 hours early, so by 12 I need to be back on this side to get ready to go. It's been a fun trip. Last half a day. Alright, here goes nothing. Okay. Finally made it to the Guinness storehouse. It took me forever and a day. It's a very Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory feel back here. Oh, look, there's a horsey. 2 horsies. But it's like straight out of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. And this is how you get in. So now I'm going. Oh my god. So I'm in the Guinness place. And I just got done from having, look at that, from having some Guinness. Let me tell you, they tried to kill me. It's the nastiest stuff I've ever had. Ooh. What's that? What do you do? Fish on a bicycle. That's a lie. please. Robin Hood and Little John walking through the forest. Ooh, lolly, ooh, lolly, ooh. Ooh, ooh, no, no. This is straight out of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Oh, God. Oh, God. Jesus. Jesus. That's how they get you. Alright, so essentially what I'm really trying to figure out though is how those people are up there drinking that nasty Guinness. That Guinness was disgusting. Like as soon as I drank it I was sick. Uh-oh, going back down. So now I want to go pour my own cup and give it to somebody because it's nasty and then I'm out of here.
So you're very welcome to Guinness Academy. First thing I should get out of the way, have you poured beer before?
Negative.
Never. No one. Well, starting brand new then. In that case, you definitely poured Guinness. You know, you've been served beer before. If you ask me for a lager or an IPA, I'll pour it in 15 seconds, put it in front of you, right? Guinness takes a bit longer. It's about at least 2 minutes. So there's a waiting game. Okay? First thing you need is a Guinness glass. 2 reasons. First of all, it's branded. It's very happy with Guinness, once you know what you're drinking. Second, this glass is aquadynamically designed, so it actually helps Guinness flow nicely into the corner and eliminate oxygen in the mixture. A lot of science. The next thing you'll need is a 45-degree angle. I have had people here trying to measure this. It's not that scientific. Roughly 45. Yeah, like contractors out here. Roughly 45 and aim for this little golden mark. See that guy?
Yeah.
That's your target. That actually helps the Guinness flow through the fruits. Pull the top all the way down. You don't need to be rough with it, just down to here. That will start Guinness, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, all in the right percentages. You actually bring the liquid up a line. Makes a little agitator plate here. It's a little metal plate with holes in it that rips the gas out of the solution. So it actually gives that creamy head on top and the surge effect coming down the glass. Yeah, if you go to here, you want to activate the agitator plate. So all the way down. Liquid is going to start filling the glass. When it reaches the writing here, you should be just about straightening up. And when the liquid gets to the top of the golden heart, you just flick off the tap. Okay, simple as. Again, it's spring-loaded, don't need to be rough. So in 45, tap all the way down. Liquid reaches the writing, you straighten the glass. Liquid reaches the top of the heart, just flick off the top. Simple as. Okay?
No question. You gotta pour like perfect.
Are you filming?
Oh, yeah, go for it.
You must have broken it.
What?
That's the demo one.
I was going to see how long.
He was gonna. For a while. I watched the mysterious tiny more. Tiny bit.
Over here.
Just relax.
There you go.
Alright, give yourself a round.
Alrighty. And with that being said, my trip in Dublin has reached the end of the rope. My battery's about to die. How appropriate. So it was a really fun trip. Freaking exhausted. I'm on the bus now. Heading to the airport. Alright friends, so that's going to be the end of the vlog for my solo trip to Ireland. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and thank you guys so much for watching it. It was probably the first vlog I tried to record and it was a little shaky, but I've been sitting on that footage like I said before for a long time and I just wanted to get it out. So there's that. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully we're getting back to some more modern content, but I'm going to be fluctuating back and forth until I kind of get out some of the old stuff that I have saved on my memory cards. So bear with me. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, click that red button to do so. Join the tribe. I would appreciate it more than you guys know. thanks again for watching, you guys, and I will see you next week, next Friday, for the next video. Bye.